Welcome to Dynamic Custom and Restore. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get latest video notification.
Hi friends, today I am doing the unboxing video of Rongpeng H827W HVLP spray gun. So, let's begin. At the top, we get user manual. .600 ml cup. Cleaning toolkit. And finally, spray gun. Let's open the toolkit. We get a spanner, socket spanner, filter, cleaning brush, and finally air hose adapter. This spray gun is lightweight, ergonomic design with stainless steel nozzle and noodle. The requirement air pressure for this spray gun is 2 to 3.5 bars. I brought this 1.4mm nozzle variant. It also available in 1.3 to 2.5mm. This is the fan control. This allows us to control the pattern width. Fluid controller. And air regulator. Let's disassemble the spray gun. Stainless steel needle. Brass air cap. Stainless steel nozzle. Brass head. By using Teflon tape, tighten the air hose adapter. Let's test by spray on the sample. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.